But most small businesses cannot afford full-time staff. They don't care if you are a beginner. They care if you can give them results. Now imagine being the bridge between these businesses and the AI tools they need. You are not building software. You are not inventing anything. You help businesses save time and money, and in return, you get paid. This is one of the fastest-growing digital side hustles in 2025, and most people still don't know it exists. Picture this. A real estate agent needs fast listings and follow-up messages, but is overwhelmed. These people are searching online for help. You show them that you can use AI tools to handle these tasks quickly and cheaply. They happily pay you because you are solving a real problem for them. This is where your daily $200 system begins. You choose one simple service. It could be social media content, email replies, product descriptions, resume writing, ad copy, blog writing, customer chat setup, appointment scheduling, or even basic graphic designs. You learn how to do this with one or two AI tools. You don't need months. You can learn it in days. Then you offer this service online. Here is the secret most people miss. You don't need a website. You don't need paid ads. Freelance marketplaces, local business groups, online forums, and social media communities are full of people asking for help. You simply show them your solution. Let's say you choose social media content. With AI tools, you can create 30 days of posts in under an hour. You offer this as a monthly package to businesses for a small fee. If you get 4 clients per week, you are at $200 per week. With AI tools, you can set up automatic replies and templates that sound human. You offer this as a setup service. Each setup could pay you $50 to $100. Now think about resume writing. Thousands of people are searching for jobs and need better resumes. People don't care how you do it. They care that it works. At first, your goal is not to become rich. Your goal is to prove the system works. Get your first client. Deliver good work. Over time, you can raise your prices, create packages, and even hire others to help you while you manage the system. This is how a side hustle slowly turns into a business. But the truth is, businesses want solutions, not perfection. They want someone who can help now. And AI tools allow you to give those solutions fast. You might feel nervous in the beginning. That is normal. But every successful person you see today once sent their first message, made their first sale, and felt the same fear.